Don't
doesn't it? Still haven't found my fork, so I'm gonna have to break down and get one, because these plastic ones, well, this is the first time I ever tried doing this with these fettuccine noodles, but they're really good. It's kind of a cross between, I guess, Indian, Italian, and yeah, Indian and Italian. Oh, and Chinese, because I have sesame seeds in it. Oh boy, is it good. So I wanted to go out overnight, but it's too soon yet. You know, I'm just gonna have to cut my overnight, so like just overnight, not like 2 days like I used to do it, so I don't leave my mom alone for a long period of time. She's doing good though. We're gonna start physical therapy for her next week, so hopefully she can get around a little bit better. And then when she feels good enough, I'm packing up and I'm heading out. I'm not telling her where I'm going, I'm just going. So this spot I'm at right here, I'm really shocked. I haven't been here probably about a year, but it used to be like one of my favorite spots because it's so quiet up in the forest roads here. I get here and there's a sign that says no camping. So, needless to say, this will have to be just like a day event out here. I don't know why. One thing I can think of is that they used to have a bunch of, you know, teenagers out here partying and not cleaning up after themselves. I don't know how many times I've been out here and took garbage bags full of garbage. So, I mean, it's good. I got out today and just enjoy a little air. But for keto noodles, they're actually very good. Probably making a mess. So I thought I'd come out and make a couple videos. I have a tent, a car tent company sent me a couple weeks ago. I tried to do the review in the driveway, but it's too noisy with traffic noise. I'd be very careful here too, because there's a lot of nothing but dried leaves. And so I gotta keep an eye out on this fire. I definitely don't want no forest fire. Yeah, I miss going out. Family comes first, like you guys told me. This is really good. Got just enough kick with the cayenne. Not like overwhelming, burning your lips. And the curry just set it off. There's really nothing to show out here. It's very barren. Tons and tons and tons of trees down. There's a trail that goes through here. It's 18 miles. And I've been at the beginning of it. At another forest. It goes through like 5 different forests. And there's 2 lean-tos along the way where you can sleep at. And I did halfway a few years ago. I never did the whole thing. So I'm thinking on my 63rd birthday, I'm gonna do it going there and going back. So it'll probably take me a week, but we'll see. I've done this portion from here to down there. And there is an incline that's like so steep. And that kind of like freaked me out a little bit. So I got to make sure that I'm prepared for that. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, 63, I'll probably be good to get to the car. So anyhow, it was good to get out, make a video, chat with you guys. Trying to catch up with everybody. My mother watches all of you guys. But see, when I watch it on the TV, I can't comment on it. But see, when I watch it on the TV, I can't put a comment on it or like right then. So I have to go back in on my computer or mobile and comment on it. So we watched all your videos. And she just loves them. Sometimes I get home, she's like, can you put this person on or that person on? So I think maybe I have to get her own YouTube channel and so she can watch everybody. The roads in are actually kind of bad, but they're not as bad as what they usually are. I think it's because there's no camping. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little dish I made today, and I got a couple of review videos coming out, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks I can go out and do an overnight somewhere. This winter was a bust, so 1 snow. That's unusual for us, very unusual. So maybe next year, you know, I'll get more snow videos out. If not, I'm heading to Canada or somewhere where there's snow. On that note, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you guys in my next video.